This is Holy Trinity Church in Salway Ash, between Broad Windsor and Bridport. Nice wee country road. And what's that say? Keep the birds out of the church. Oh, look at this. It's got a nice thick door. That doesn't look like a very old church. I mean, it's got all this red brick in it, white brick, house bricks, but it's quite beautiful. Yeah. It's got a lovely wooden ceiling. Could be oak, I would think. Look at all them beams. Cool. See, whoops. Dark up there, right up the altar end. Lovely. Cool. Right then, we're at the Holy Trinity at Salway Ash, near Bridport, between Bridport and Broad Windsor. Look at this. It's a more sort of modern. It's got bricks you can see, but look at that. Look at that, it's beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. Look at this barn style roofing. Look, oak planks. Yeah, very nice. Nice pews. And baby Jesus, if I could get it properly on there. Look at that. Beautiful. There we go. Pretty. Don't know how old it is. Just passing. It's behind a hedge. There we are. Holy Trinity, Salway Ash. And it was very kind of the gardener who let me in, because it was locked, and he was strumming outside, and he asked me did I want to go in. I said, oh yes please. So, and I found a World War II headstone outside. Look at that, that's gorgeous that is. Oh. All the symbols, I don't know what they mean, but it's a nice piece of woodwork. Lectern. Yeah. Right, cool. Up into the, I would reckon, lovely tiles on the floor. Up to the altar area. That's quite nice, isn't it? That's the shop nuts. Oh, still in here, it's quite dark. I'm near a window. The honours house. Nice little table. What's it say? Can you read it? 1903. Cool. Very nice. This the other way. Absolutely beautiful. Looks like a modernised one. Okay. Lovely surround, woodwork surround, wooden surround, or rood, whatever it's called. It's all got special names.